Hey there everybody, it's Adam Zollinger here from LearnArcViz, and I'm here to tell you about the various different ways that you can stay connected with me on the internet. I have a website called www.learnarcviz.com, and it's full of resources for you as one of my students. You can go there and get free model downloads to practice with. There's articles, a 3D blog, keeping you up to date with all the latest stuff in the industry, all sorts of tips and tricks, tons of free tutorials, all sorts of resources for you there. The other place you can connect with me is on YouTube, where I put all the videos that I make, except for the ones that you're having access to here on Udemy. But you can see previews of my other courses there. You can also get tons of tips and tricks on various different things that you're trying to accomplish in 3D Studio Max, V-Ray, UE4, Photoshop, whatever it is. Okay, so all sorts of LearnArcViz tips and tricks on YouTube. Follow me at my channel, LearnArcViz, on YouTube. I also have a Facebook group that is connected to my website, and there you can get the latest updates via Facebook of any blog posts that I do, any articles. You can keep in touch with all the latest stuff that's going on with me and with the ArcViz community. And the last place is Instagram, where you can follow me for images of new models that I'm making available to my students. You can follow me for preview snippet videos of upcoming lectures and content. You can see some of my personal work. You can see some of my professional work. You can just stay connected with me in general. It's a good way to know what's going on, what I have coming up in the future for my students. So connect with me in those different places so that we can continue to learn together and have a nice community of learning and continue to improve our LearnArcViz skills together. Thanks a lot. Enjoy the lecture. Enjoy the course. See you soon.